What is going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to program a universal car remote for a Nissan 2005 Xterra. But it applies to a lot of the Nissan cars. But quickly I'm gonna show you guys how to program the remote. First you gotta hold the function button 1 and panic button at the same time. Okay, the light will stay lit, and then you gotta put in your code, which mine is lock twice, 1 2, unlock twice, and trunk 4 times. And then you gotta push the function and panic button at the same time again, so the light can turn off. And then what you gotta do is, and this applies to a lot of Nissan cars, like I said, do it the same way I do. You're gonna insert the key into the ignition 6 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and your indicators will flash. And then you can put ignition into the ignition again into accessory and push any button on your remote, and they will flash again. And to complete that, just take the key out, unlock your car, open your door, and then push any buttons to find out to see if it works. And there you go. That's how you do that. Quick and easy, under 2 minutes. Thank you for watching.